students, now we going to discuss about a chapter 4 practical geometry exercise 4.3. Two adjacent angles sides and three angles are giving at that time how to construct a quadrilateral. First here construct a quadrilateral more. MO equals 6 centimeter, OR equal 4.5 centimeter, angle M equals 60 degree, angle O equal 105 degree, angle R equal 105 degree. In this way this question is given there. So first of all what we want to do is MO take here rough diagram. In rough diagram our aim is to construct a quadrilateral. So M, this vertex M, this point O, here R and E. More spelling is like this, M-O-R-E. Then here baseline is which one? MO is the baseline. How much centimeter given in the question? 6 centimeter. So MO value consider it as 6 centimeter. Next how to construct baseline is MO. Next our aim is to construct angle R, means vertex R means how to construct means first we check it here what are the values are given there. Which value is given there? Angle O is given. How much? 105 degrees. So keep protractor on angle O and mark 105 degrees. So that point joining time we get a straight line. 105 degree will get in the next process. O and R carrying any measurement is there or not? Yes. OR value is given. How much centimeter? 4.5. So 4.5 take in our compass. Keep O as center. Draw an arc. This arc and 105 degree line were intersecting. At that point we mark an alphabet, required alphabet R. So R construction complete. Next we need E construction. Angle E how to construct? Angle R is given there. How much? 105. So keep protractor on angle R, measure 105 degree, mark that point. So you joined that 105 degree point were joining. Then next M and E carrying any here next they are given as angle M is given there. So keep M as vertex. How much centimeter? 60 degree. Then joined the 105 degree and 60 degree joining time, joining point marker required alphabet E. That is the process. So this is how much degree? 105 degree. This side represent as OR value 4.5. Again R value is 105 degree. Then M value represent as how much degree? 60 degree. Then 105 and 60 joining time we get even. So that is the procedure. So how to original one we going to construct. First and draw a line segment. How much centimeter? MO equals 6. So 0 to 6 centimeter measure. 0 to 6 centimeter. Measure, mark that point as M and O. Then next procedure 6 centimeter. Next procedure keep O vertex as how much? Next our aim is to construct R vertex, R point construct. So that's why angle O is given. How much? 105 centimeter, 105 degree. Keep O as vertex. O is in which side? Right hand side of the protractor. That's why we take outside scale reading. Outside scale read where is 105? Between 110 and 100. It outside scale reading checking time 105 lies between 110 and 100. There you mark 105. Then that point join like this and mark the measurement as 105 degree. Then next which value they given? O and R side measurement is given. How much? 4.5. So 0 to 4.5 centimeter. Take 0 as center. Draw 4.5 centimeter arc. Then 105 degree line and 4.5 arc intersecting point. Mark an alphabet, required alphabet R. So MOR. Next our aim E construction. E construction how to do? Angle R measurement is given. How much? 105 degree. So keep protractor on R vertex. R is here. R center point. Keep it on the R vertex and center line like this. Then it is in which side? Right hand side. That's why outside scale reading. Check-in time 105 lies between 110 and 100 middle. Fifth line represent as 105. Mark that point. Through that point joined with a straight line. Joined with a straight line. Like this way, straight line join. Next procedure, angle M value is given. How much? 60 degree. Angle M is 60. So keep M as center. Measure 60 degree. M as center and 60. This is which side? Left hand side. Left hand side we consider inside a scale reading. Inside scale reading 60 degree were here. Through that point mark that to 60 degree. Then that through that point M and that point joining. Then 105 degree angle line and a 60 degree angle line where it intersecting. That point mark your required alphabet. Which is a required alphabet? E. So this is the construction of a quadrilateral more. M-O-R-E, more. In this way, construction of the more. Construct a quadrilateral plan. PLAN. PL equal 4 centimeter. LA equal 6.5 centimeter. Angle P measurement given as a 90 degree. Angle A equal 110 degree. Angle N equal 85 degree. Rough sketch how to do means first PL baseline take it as a PL. How much? 4 centimeter measurement take. 4 centimeter. Then next see side value is given. Next suppose our aim is to construct a next point as A here come A N will come. Next our aim is to construct a point A. How to construct to point A? Side value is given. L and baseline L and A related side is given. A measurement given as 6.5. Okay, one measurement. Okay, one more second measurement we need. In case L angle or L angle we need, but here L angle not given there. So what we want to do? First of all, we find out L angle. How to, remaining angles are there. Angle P is there, angle A is there. Angle A means no use, but here angle A value we don't know. Angle point A we don't know. Then how to keep the protractor? So next our aim is to find out L angle. Angle L how to find out means sum of 4 angle is equal to 360. Quadrilateral case 360. That's why here which are the alphabet plan spelling PLA. So angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N is equal to how much degree coming? 360 degree. P value how much given the question? 90 degree. Angle L, our aim is to angle L point finding. Then angle A is how much? 110 degree. Plus angle N represent as 85 degree equal 360 degree. 90 plus 110 plus 85 represent as how much will coming? 110 plus 90 plus 85. Adding time 200 here 200 and 280 degree will getting there. Plus angle L is there equal 360 degree. So therefore angle L value become how much? 360 degree minus 285 degree. Subtraction doing the how much will coming there? 75 degree. So next our aim is to keep protractor on angle L First we give preference for angle construction. That's why angle L keep as a center. How much degree? 75. L is in right side of the protractor. That's why outside scale reading. Outside scale reading considering time where the values are there. You are looking time values are 75 means between 80 and 70. Here 80. Here how much? 90. 90 is there. Outside scale reading say 110, 170. Here which number will coming there? 165, 160 like this way. Here 90, 85 coming this side. 85 is 85, 85th line between 80 and 90 represent as 85. There you measure and mark. So 85 degree measurement using protractor measuring that. Then that point marking. Then afterwards side value, which is a side value 6.5. 6.5 measurement take. Arc draw arc and 85 degree line segment intersecting point. Mark an alphabet, required alphabet A alpha, third alphabet A marking. Then next our aim is to construct a point N. N how to construct? Here angle P value is given. How much? 90. So keep protractor on P a 90 degree measurement. Through that point join with a straight line. Next angle A is given. How much? 110. Keep A as center 110 degree measure. Protractor keep both 110 and 90 degree line where they are intersecting. That point is a required alphabet N. Then we join in a P L A N. That is the construction one. So original triangle construction we going to do. First baseline PL. PL means 0 to how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. 0 to 4. Mark by numbers as alphabet as P and L. 4 centimeter. Next angle construction. Angle some property applying the angle will become how much? 75. So keep L as center. 75 where this on between. Yeah, 75 represent as between 80 and 70. 75 will coming there. So keep that point as a 75 degree. Then measuring and joining through that point join. The next procedure side value is given. The how much? 6.5 centimeter. Take a 0 to 6.5 centimeter. Take then L as center 6.5 centimeter arc drawing. Then arc and 75 degree where they are intersecting. That point mark a required alphabet A. Next N point. N point how to construct? First angle A is how much? 110. So keep protractor on angle A. Angle A is measuring time. Protractor is on right side. That's why we take a inside scale reading 110. 110 where here. That point mark there 110 degree point. Through that point joined with a straight line. 110 degree line join. Next angle P become how much? 90 degree. Keep protractor on angle P 90 degree measurement. There 90 degree measurement. Mark that point joined that 90 degree point and P are joining. Then 90 degree point and 110 degree point intersecting at a point. There you mark an angle point as a which point? N point where construct. This is the construction work for second question. Angle here 90 degree measurement. Here represent as how much degree? 110. Angle A given as a 110. Then next we go through third question. In third question, construct a parallelogram. Here, values are HE equal 5 centimeter, EA equal 6 centimeter, angle R equal 85. That's why we take a baseline as a HE, take it as a baseline HE 5 cm. Next side value is okay 6 centimeter, but E angle not there. So which angle is given there? R angle. What is the relation between R and E? They are a opposite. Here see HE, AR, here A and R and E are a opposite angles. They are opposite. R and E are R is 85 angle, E also become how much? 85 degree. That's why first of all we take protractor and 85 degree measure through the and 85 degree point mark and join. Next 6 centimeter take using compass 6 centimeter arc draw on the 85 degree line. Both are intersecting point mark an alphabet A. Next HEAR. R point how to construct here parallelogram specialty opposite sides are equal. AE is opposite to which side? HR side. AE is 6 centimeter means HR also become how much? 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter take inner compass HR center draw an arc. Next AR and HE are the opposite side. HE is how much? 5 centimeter. Therefore AR also how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter. Keep AR center. Draw an arc. Two arc intersecting point. Mark an alphabet A joining. This two joining time we get a required parallelogram here. That is the rough sketch. Original sketch how to start? Baseline take it as HE how much? 5 centimeter. 0 to 5 centimeter take. 0 to 5. Mark as H and E. 5 centimeter. Next R and E are opposite angle. That's why R is 85. E angle also become how much? 85. 85 are here protractor is in the right side of the right side. That's why outside scale reading 85. Between 80 and 90, fifth line represent as 85. Through that point joined with a straight line. There we get how much degree? 85 degree. Then next arc construction. Arc how to get a EA side value is given. Side value is how much? 6 centimeter. So compass take 0 to 6 measurement. 0 to 6 take E as center. Arc construct. Arc and 85 degree line where they are intersecting, that point mark required alphabet 6 A. There mark 6 centimeter. Next HE and AR which opposite angle. HE is how much? 5 centimeter. That's why AR also how much? 5 centimeter. So 0 to 5 centimeter take. Keep A as center. 5 centimeter arc draw. Next HR and AE are opposite angle. AE is 6 centimeter. So RH also become how much? 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter measurement take. H as center. Opposite arc draw. Two arc intersecting point mark our required alphabet. Here spelling R. HEAR. Then simply joining. H2E. H2R. Then R2A points simply joining. That's all. That's all. The values. So here HR is 6 centimeter. Then AR represent as 5. Why? Because they are opposite sides. This is the parallelogram construction. One more question. Construct a rectangle OK. Here also rough diagram. OK represent as a baseline. How much? 7 centimeter. OK. Next KA value is there. Side value is there. But angle value not there. Rectangle specialty. One angle become how much? 90. So protractor use and 90 degree measurement take. Then KA value 5 centimeter. Take in our compass. K as center, draw an arc. Arc a 90-degree measurement where they are intersecting. That point you mark an alphabet A, O, K, A. The third alphabet to mark. Next, fourth alphabet is Y. Y, how to measure here also rectangle case also opposite side are equal. A and K value is 5 means O and Y also become how much? 5. So 5 centimeter take, keep O as center, 5 centimeter arc. Next O and K is 7 centimeter, that's why A and Y also how much? 7 centimeter. Keep A as center, 7 centimeter arc draw. Both are intersecting point. Mark an alphabet to Y, Y to O and Y to A are joined in time, we get a rectangle shape. That is the procedure. So original one drawing time, first we start with the baseline. Okay. Okay is how much? 7 centimeter. So mark it as O and K 7 centimeter. Next angle, how to get? We know that property of a rectangle, angle become how much? 90. That property here we apply, but in question measurement not given there, but using property we identify that rectangle case one angle become 90. That's why we make a 90 degree here. So one more measurement need, then only angle A point we can construct. Second measurement, how to get a side value is given. Side value is how much? 5 cm. Ka value 5. So 0 to 5 centimeter measure. K as center 5 centimeter arc draw. Mark that point as a 90 degree line and a 5 centimeter arc intersecting point mark as a. Next Y point, how to construct opposite side property. OY and AK are opposite. OY is opposite to AY. AK is how much? 5. That's why 0 to 5 centimeter take, O as center, 5 centimeter arc draw. Next OK and K, AY are opposite. OK is 7, that's why AY also how much? 7. And where we keep our compass? Keep A as center and opposite arc draw. Both are intersecting point, mark Y. Then Y to O are joining and Y to A joining, we get a which shape? A rectangle shape. What is the name of that rectangle? OK AY. Hope you can understand this one. Here 5 centimeter, here 7 measurement also must. Here 90 degree using and a measurement doing there. Thank you.